Is your T-Mobile AutoPay not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users experience this, but it's usually solvable. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing common AutoPay issues. First, let's cover the most common causes of AutoPay failures. These include expired payment cards, insufficient funds in your account, temporary account freezes, network outages affecting billing systems, and occasional software bugs in the T-Mobile app or billing infrastructure. Now, here are the quick steps to solve these issues. First, update your payment information in the T-Mobile app. Second, reset your AutoPay settings. Third, check your account status for any freezes. Finally, contact T-Mobile support if the problem persists. For example, if your AutoPay failed due to an expired card, open the T-Mobile app and navigate to Billing, then Payment Methods, and update your card information. This usually restores AutoPay within minutes. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is improving AutoPay with AI-driven troubleshooting and blockchain-based verification for enhanced security. This should reduce failures to just 5% by 2028. Several factors can cause AutoPay to fail. The most frequent culprits include expired or outdated credit card information, insufficient funds in your linked bank account freezes or holds on your payment method, temporary network outages affecting T-Mobile's billing system, occasional software bugs within the T-Mobile app itself. Keep an eye out for T-Mobile alerts via email or SMS. Let's get right to fixing it. Here's what you should do immediately. First, verify payment information. Open the T-Mobile app or website, navigate to Billing, then Payment Methods. Double-check your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure your billing address matches your card statement. Second, check account balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your bank account or available credit on your card to cover the bill. Third, restart AutoPay. Sometimes simply turning AutoPay off and back on can resolve glitches. Do this within the T-Mobile app or website. For advanced fixes within the T-Mobile app, first ensure you're running the latest version, preferably 12.5 or later. These updates often contain important bug fixes that resolve AutoPay issues. Next, try the AI-driven troubleshooting tool within the app. If available, it can automatically identify and resolve common AutoPay issues without manual intervention. Finally, as a last resort, remove your current payment method from the app and then add it again. This forces the system to create a fresh connection and can resolve persistent AutoPay failures. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to contact T-Mobile support. They offer 24/7 assistance via chat and phone. Have your account information ready. Explain the steps you've already taken. Be patient. Support agents are often dealing with high volumes of inquiries related to AutoPay. Ask them to check for any system-wide issues affecting AutoPay. Imagine your AutoPay failed and you received a late fee. This can happen due to various reasons like outdated payment information or system glitches. Here's what you can do to resolve it. First, immediately check your payment method details in the T-Mobile app. Look for any expired cards or incorrect information that might have caused the AutoPay failure. If your payment information appears correct and you have sufficient funds, reach out to T-Mobile support through their app, website, or by calling their customer service line. Explain the situation clearly and politely. Request a waiver of the late fee, specifically citing the AutoPay failure as the cause. T-Mobile often reverses these fees when it's due to a system issue, and many customers have reported successful resolutions. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is actively working to improve AutoPay reliability through cutting-edge technologies. First, increased use of AI will help predict and prevent payment failures by analyzing user patterns and detecting potential issues early. Second, enhanced security measures may include blockchain-based verification to protect payment information and prevent unauthorized access. Third, better integration with mobile-only banking platforms will make AutoPay work seamlessly across popular payment apps. While some issues persist today, T-Mobile's investments in these solutions will lead to a much smoother billing experience in the future. To minimize AutoPay hassles, stay proactive by regularly updating your payment information, especially expiration dates. Check and update card details monthly to prevent failures. Monitor your bank account or credit card statements for any unauthorized charges. This helps catch issues early and maintain security. Keep the T-Mobile app updated to access the latest features and bug fixes that improve autopay reliability. Be aware of potential system outages or maintenance periods announced by T-Mobile through their app notifications or website. By staying informed through these proactive steps, you can ensure a seamless autopay experience.